Imagine a dessert. It's vibrant purple. It's creamy and sweet. It melts in your mouth. This is Ube Halaya. This Filipino treat is more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of Filipino culture and heritage. Ube Halaya is a taste of home for many Filipinos. It's a reminder of family gatherings and special occasions. This dessert is easy to make. You can enjoy it anytime. In this guide, we'll show you how to make Ube Halaya. Get ready for a delicious adventure. Ube Halaya is a Filipino dessert. It's made from purple yam. The purple yam is boiled and mashed. Then it's cooked with coconut milk, sugar, and butter. The result is a smooth and creamy pudding. It has a beautiful purple color. Ube Halaya is often served chilled. You can enjoy it on its own, or you can use it as a topping. It's delicious on cakes, pastries, and ice cream. Ube Halaya is a versatile dessert. It's perfect for any occasion. Ube is a root vegetable. It's known for its vibrant purple color. But ube is more than just a pretty ingredient. It has a delicate sweetness, and it's packed with nutrients. Ube is a good source of fiber. It's also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. When cooked, ube becomes soft and tender. It has a slightly sticky texture. This makes it perfect for desserts. Ube adds a unique flavor and texture to dishes. It's a true gift from nature. To make Ube Halaya, you'll need a few simple ingredients. These ingredients, though simple, are the building blocks of a dish that is rich in history and flavor. Each one has been carefully selected to contribute to the overall taste and texture of the final product. Each ingredient plays a special role in creating the perfect flavor and texture. From the vibrant purple hue of the ube to the creamy consistency of the coconut milk, every component is essential. The combination of these ingredients results in a dessert that is not only delicious, but also visually stunning. The star of the show. Choose ube that is firm and free from blemishes. The quality of the ube is crucial, as it forms the base of the dish. Fresh, high-quality ube will ensure that your halaya has the best possible flavor and texture. When selecting ube, look for tubers that are firm to the touch and have a deep, vibrant color. This adds richness and creaminess to the halaya. Use full-fat coconut milk for the best flavor. The coconut milk not only adds a creamy texture, but also imparts a subtle sweetness that complements the earthiness of the ube. It's important to use full-fat coconut milk to achieve the desired consistency and flavor. Adjust the amount to your liking. You can use white or brown sugar. The type of sugar you choose can affect the final taste of the halaya. White sugar will give a cleaner, more straightforward sweetness, while brown sugar will add a hint of caramel and a deeper flavor. Feel free to experiment with the amount of sugar to suit your personal preference. Adds a velvety texture and enhances the overall flavor. Use unsalted butter for a purer taste. The butter helps to create a smooth, velvety texture that makes the halaya even more indulgent. Using unsalted butter allows the natural flavors of the other ingredients to shine through without being overpowered by the salt. These ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors. As you mix the ingredients, you'll notice how they blend seamlessly to form a cohesive and harmonious flavor profile. The process of making Ube Halaya is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Each step brings you closer to a dessert that is both comforting and exotic. Get ready to experience the magic of Ube Halaya. Once the halaya is ready, you'll be rewarded with a dessert that is not only delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. The vibrant purple color and creamy texture make it a standout dish that is sure to impress. Serve it as a special treat for family and friends, or enjoy it as a delightful indulgence for yourself. The magic of Ube Halaya lies in its ability to bring joy and satisfaction with every bite. Section 5. Prepping the Purple Powerhouse. Ube transformation. In this section, we will guide you through the meticulous process of transforming raw ube into a delightful ingredient ready for your favorite Filipino desserts. Now that you have your ingredients, which include fresh ube, sugar, coconut milk, and a pinch of salt, it's time to get started on the preparation. The first step in preparing the ube is to ensure that it is clean and free from any dirt or impurities. First, wash the ube thoroughly under running water. Use a brush if necessary to remove any stubborn dirt. Next, peel the skin using a vegetable peeler. Be careful while peeling to avoid removing too much of the flesh, as the vibrant purple color is what makes ube so unique. Then, chop the ube into small cubes. Aim for uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. This will help it cook faster and more evenly, making the texture perfect for your recipes. Place the chopped ube in a pot and cover it with water. Make sure the water level is about an inch above the ube pieces. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. This initial high heat will help to start the cooking process quickly. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to a simmer. This gentle cooking method will soften the ube without breaking it apart. Cook the ube until it's fork tender. You can test this by piercing a piece with a fork. It should go through easily without much resistance. This should take about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your cubes. Once done, drain the water, and your ube is ready to be used in various delicious recipes. Section 6. The Dance of Creamyness. Cooking the Ube Halaya. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a luscious, velvety dessert that will delight your taste buds. Once the ube is cooked, it's time to transform it into a creamy delight. The process is simple, but requires a bit of patience and attention to detail. First, drain the cooked ube and let it cool slightly. This step is crucial as it allows the ube to firm up a bit, making it easier to blend into a smooth consistency. Then, transfer it to a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. The goal here is to achieve a silky texture, free of lumps. You can add a little bit of water if needed to help the blending process. Adding a small amount of water can make a big difference in achieving the perfect consistency. Be careful not to add too much, as you want the mixture to remain thick and rich. In a separate pot, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and butter. These ingredients will add a creamy, sweet, and slightly nutty flavor to the ube, enhancing its natural taste. Heat over medium heat and stir until the sugar is dissolved. This step ensures that the sugar is fully incorporated into the mixture, creating a smooth and consistent base for the ube. Now, add the blended ube to the pot and mix well to combine. Stir continuously to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pot. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens and becomes glossy, indicating that it is ready to be enjoyed. Section 7. The Perfect Swirl. Mastering the Ube Halaya texture. Continue to cook the Ube Halaya over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent sticking. The mixture will thicken as it cooks, which is exactly what you want. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. The halaya is ready when it pulls away from the sides of the pot. For a smoother texture, you can pass the cooked halaya through a fine mesh sieve. This will remove any lumps, resulting in a silky smooth Ube Halaya. Section 8. Sweet Sensations. Serving up Ube Halaya delights. Once the Ube Halaya is cooked, you can enjoy it in countless ways. Let it cool slightly before serving. You can enjoy it warm, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing treat. Serve Ube Halaya on its own, or get creative with toppings. You can add a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes. A drizzle of condensed milk adds extra sweetness. Chopped nuts add a delightful crunch. Section 9. Beyond the Bowl Creative Ube Halaya Transformations. Ube Halaya is incredibly versatile. Don't be afraid to get creative with it. Use it as a filling for cakes and pastries. Swirl it into ice cream. Add it to your favorite smoothies. You can even make Ube Halaya flavored lattes and milkshakes. The possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild. Explore the world of Ube Halaya creations. Section 10. Ube Halaya, a legacy of Filipino flavors. Ube Halaya is more than just a dessert. It represents the heart of Filipino cuisine. It's a testament to the ingenuity of Filipino cooks. They transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. This dessert is a symbol of Filipino culture. It's a taste of home for many. Ube Halaya is often served during special occasions. It's a reminder of family, tradition, and love. Section 11. Embrace the purple magic. Ube Halaya is a true gift from the Philippines. It's a dessert that delights the senses. It's easy to make. The result is a creamy purple paradise. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready to experience the magic of Ube Halaya. You'll be amazed by the vibrant colors. The sweet aroma will fill your kitchen. And the first bite, pure bliss. Enjoy the journey of making this beloved Filipino dessert.